uba Charles Mangar ubalong MLA jong ka sen Congress na po Mawhati habe sematam nen ha po yeng dar ba thawan jong ka jala ulong ba ka jala mekhlia ka di ka jala ka ba bon ba ki briu ki banang ba ban rai ba kum juru ki ba i ba ya ka jing rai man kan ka jala ka don ki sur jing rai ka jing rai ka ba fair ya ka ba alap itu ba pidang ru ki ba bon ba ka wini ni ki kom rai ka ba ki briu ku stana ba ka jala ka di ka jing rai ko ya ka ba ju i la ju rai na ka por su ka por kum tan ka liang ka jong la kentu kum la kentu ha ni ka dor bar ka bla dam ya ka sarkar ba kham tam ya ka asan culture ba sim khiaru ban kentiu ya ki jing roi ko ya kum ta ula ai jingmot ya umti ka tan asan culture ba polong do ba ha ju ko poru ulo onong thau jing roi ban Pynlong do de ki ko competition ha ki district ki ba pe jong ka jala khana ban kentiu su ya ki ni ka kom roi kum balai i na ka jing wan anam ja ka shillong samba ko ya ka kidis corner ko ya ba ki wei.
In the last session I have highlighted regarding the diversity of art and music in the state, with special reference to the choir. As we all know that our state comprised of music lovers, especially those that partake in choir. We should feel proud that various groups, as for instance, the Shillong Chamber Choir, Aroha Choir, Geddes Corner Schools, had really brought fame and honor to the state in particular and to the nation in general. As an ex-choir leader, sir, I personally had a vision that is high time for the state government to focus more on this subject. I'm happy to know that the concerned cabinet minister, Minister of Arts and Culture, is also a former songwriter and composer of our state. Hence, I suggest that through the Arts and Culture Department, they should find out all the possible ways and means to uplift this matter within the state, that our state may reach to the newer and greater heights. We may also conduct various activities like the choir competition in every district of the state, and even at the state level. I can assure that this will, in no doubt, help many youths, young generation, to showcase their talents in the midst of unemployment crisis. And by doing so, they may actively participate and hence may not have time to involve in many unhealthy social practices.